Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us solve some examples from the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. Example 1. Population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471 in the year 1991. In the year 2001, it was found to be increased by 72,958. What was the population of the city in 2001? Solution is like this. Population of the city in 2001 is equal to population of the city in 1991 plus increase in population. So this is equal to 2,35,471 plus 72,958. Age population of the city in 1991 is equal to 2,35,471 and increase in population is 72,958. So we can add these two like this. The answer will be 3,08,429. The population of the city in 2001 was found to be 3,08,429. Also you can add 2,35,471 and 72,958 like this. You will get the same answer, that is 3,08,429. Example 2. In one state, the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002-2003 was 7,43,000. In the year 2003-2004, the number of bicycles sold was 8,100,000. In which year were more bicycles sold and how many more? Here, this is the solution. As 8,100,000 is more than 7,43,000. So, in this state, more bicycles were sold in the year 2003-2004 than in 2002-2003. So, to find the more number of bicycles, we have to subtract 7,43,000 from 8,100,000 and the answer will be 57,100. So 57,100 more bicycles were sold in the year 2003-2004. You can also check your answer by adding 7,43,000 with 57,100. We will get 8,100,000. So our answer is correct. Example 3. The town newspaper is published every day. One copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. How many total pages are printed every day? Solution is like this. Each copy has 12 pages. Hence, 11,980 copies will have 12 into 11,980 pages. So we have to multiply 11,980 with 12 and we will get the answer 1,43,760. So answer is every day 1,43,760 pages are printed. Example 4. The number of sheets of paper available for making notebooks is 75,000. Each sheet makes 8 pages of a notebook. Each notebook contains 200 pages. How many notebooks can be made from the paper available? Solution is like this. Each sheet makes 8 pages. So we have 75,000 sheets. Hence 75,000 sheets make 8 into 75,000 pages. So we have to multiply 75,000 with 8. So our answer is 6 lakh. So 6 lakh pages are available for making notebooks. Again 200 pages make one notebook. So 6 lakh pages make 6 lakh divided by 200 notebooks, that is equal to 3000. If we will divide 6 lakh by 200, then answer will be 3000. So answer is 3000 notebooks can be made from the paper available. Thank you.